The art of writing for information and inspiration. Introduction. Articles are one of the key forms of information dissemination in the modern world. They are found everywhere, in print magazines, online publications, blogs, and social media. But what is an article, and why are they so important? History of articles. The origins of articles and their development in print media. The history of articles goes back to the deep past. They first appeared in print, providing readers with access to information, ideas, and entertainment. Over time, articles became an important element of publications, whether newspapers, magazines, or brochures. The transition to the digital age, articles in online publications. With the development of the Internet, articles moved into the online world where they took on new possibilities. They became accessible to the whole world, not just a limited number of readers. This transition also changed the way articles were written and disseminated. Types of articles. Informational articles. Informational articles provide facts and news on a specific topic. They answer the questions what, where, when, and why. Analytical articles. Analytical articles explore a topic in greater depth, providing analysis and interpretation of events or data. They help readers understand how and why. Scientific articles. Scientific articles are the results of research and experiments intended for scientists and specialists in a particular field. Opinions and commentaries. Opinion articles express the author's personal views and opinions on various topics. Instructions and guides. Instructions and guides provide step-by-step instructions on how to perform specific tasks. Article structure. Title and subtitles. The title of an article is the first thing the reader sees, and it should be catchy and informative. Subtitles are important for dividing the content into sections and making it easier to navigate the article. Introduction. The introduction to an article plays the role of a hook, attracting the reader's attention and giving a general overview of the topic of the article. Here, it is also worth including a brief outline of the main questions or theses that will be considered further. Main part. Consideration of the topic. The main part of the article is the place to develop the topic. Here, you provide details, arguments, facts, and examples to support your point of view or convey information to the reader. Conclusion. In the conclusion of the article, you summarize and draw conclusions based on the information presented. The conclusion should be a logical completion of the article and may contain a call to action or further discussion of the topic. Bibliographic references, if required. If you use sources of information in your article, it is important to provide bibliographic references so that readers can check the sources and delve into the topic further. How to write good articles. Research the topic and plan. Before you start writing, research the topic. Plan the structure of your article. Identify the key messages and target audience. Writing quality content. Your content should be informative, easy to read and relevant to the topic. Use clear and concise statements, using sources and quotes. When supporting your arguments or facts, refer to reliable sources and always cite them correctly. Editing and proofreading. After you finish writing, edit and proofread your article. Mistakes can reduce its professionalism. Publication and distribution. Choosing a platform for publication. Choosing the right platform to publish your article is important. It should match your audience and goals. This could be your own website, blog, a popular article publishing platform, or social media. Article promotion strategies. Once published, it is necessary to promote your article. This may include distribution through social media, email newsletters, participation in discussion forums, and other marketing methods. Interact with readers and feedback. Be prepared for feedback from readers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and stimulate discussion of your article. This will help you understand the needs of your audience and improve your content in the future. Conclusion: articles play an important role in the exchange of information in the modern world. They provide an opportunity to share knowledge, ideas, and opinions. Writing quality articles is an art that can be mastered with experience and practice. We hope this article will help you better understand how to create informative and inspiring content.